I'm Matt Roberts. I'm with American Construction Supply, and we're here at World of Concrete 2023. I've got Ryan here, and he's going to show us a little bit about Symons products.
As he mentioned, we're in the Symons formwork section of Dayton Superior's booth here at World of Concrete 2023. Two of our signature products are on display. This one here is a wall formwork display of our flagship product line under the Symons brand. It's called Steel-Ply.
And Symons has been around forever, right?
Correct, yeah. Symons has actually been around since 1953 when Arthur H. Symons actually first invented his first product, which is this Steel-Ply system. This is a hand-set forming system, which means the job site work crew can obviously move it into place without any kind of crane or any other heavy machinery assistance in the process.
This product is awesome. It's used all the time in our industry. We use it for lots of different things, from foundations, footings, to stem walls, to residential walls.
Correct.
We've even used them for taller walls before.
Exactly. You can gang form it if you need to. Yep. The system itself only weighs about 5 pounds a square foot, and it supports concrete pour pressure ratings of 1,000 pounds per square foot.
That's pretty dang good.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. We at Symons offer over 100 plus different stock panel and filler sizes with this product that we obviously sell for new purchase, but we also have it available as part of our rental fleet inventory all across North America.
Our customers love that fact that you have so many different sizes for the product, so it works for a lot of different solutions.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Well, I appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you. This is Symons. If you have any questions, you can contact your local American Construction Supply rep.